He is not my son. I told you years ago clearly.
Please stop saying that. He can hear everything tonight.
I won't lie anymore.
Robert, please. Tell me now, is everything true? Please answer me honestly. Yes, my son, I hid truth many painful years.
Who is he then? Where can I find him now?
His name is Michael. He searched many years.
We loved deeply once, but family forced separation.
Leave this poor man, you marry another today.
Excuse me, sir. Are you Michael Turner here today?
Yes, I am. Why do you ask me?
My name is Daniel. I came here for truth.
Daniel, my son, is it really you now?
I searched everywhere. I never forgot you, son.
I waited forever. I needed this hug badly.
I kept your photo every year. I hoped always.
Why did nobody tell me this truth before?
I wanted to, but the time was never right.
I wish I had known sooner.
Balance slowly now. Keep looking forward always, son. I am riding now. You stayed beside me. Some fathers live at home, some live in your heart forever. Today I found mine, my real father. And I found you, son.
Tell me everything, son. I missed many years.
I wanted father love. I felt lonely always.
I wrote many letters. None reached you ever.
You never forgot me. I know now today.
Dear son, you wrote this years ago lovingly.
Every birthday passed, I remembered each one.
My life changed today. Nothing feels same now. But mother still waits. I must return.
Did you find him? Please tell me now. Yes, I found him. He loves me deeply. I was afraid. I made wrong choices.
Truth hurt badly, but lies hurt longer.
I'm so sorry, Daniel.
I forgive you, Mom.
Can you forgive me someday, my dear son?
Healing needs time, but I will try.
You came back, son. That means everything.
I lost years, I won't lose more.
Tighten gently here. Good hands like mine.
Maybe I got them from you.
You're a natural.
This is fun!
Some truths break hearts, then heal hearts. I found my father. I found myself.
For more interesting stories and motivational videos, please like our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Please share our videos with your friends too. Thank you for watching.